While the government is claiming that they are doing their bit to ease the apple transport crisis, already 1,37,000 metric tons of apple has been sent to various mandis of the country. But when you come to these fruit mandis, when you speak to the stakeholders, the story seems totally different. While they say that last some days they have seen that the transport crisis has slightly eased, but what has happened is that the backlog in one go is being sent to various mandis, be it Delhi and other places, and with the result, there is an overflow of apple, and that is bringing down rates to dust. So that really is the new challenge as far as government is concerned, because there is no regulation and the highway is open in starts and stops, and in one go when you have thousands of trucks reaching Delhi, it really brings down rates, and that is the new challenge for the fruit growers. And then the way highways is being opened, there is no proper regulation. They allow some trucks, then they shut it down, then again allow certain trucks. So there is no system in this. They want some system. They want the trucks should be allowed on fixed intervals, so that you don't have an overflow of apple in fruit mandis across the country, and especially Delhi. The other thing is that while the railways has come in, but there is just one train, a few bogies that take their produce daily, and they want more. What they also want is that trains should also be connected, bogies connected to other fruit mandis of the country, because from Delhi they have to again reload and send it. And apple is a very perishable fruit, and in 3-4 days it starts to rot, and that really is what has happened. Already around 1,500 crores of damage as far as the fruit economy, the apple economy is concerned, and this is the real backbone of Kashmir's economy. It's around a 20,000 crore industry, and if drastic steps, importantly a systematic, regulated corridor is not provided to this produce to reach the other parts of the country, various mandis, then the apple and horticulture sector is staring at monumental losses. Already Kashmir, we know what has happened this year. It has been a year to forget for Kashmir's economy. Started with Pahalgam, with the terror attack that smashed the tourism season. It's still there is no chances or no signs of revival. Then you had the rotten meat scandal, absolutely smashing the restaurant eateries business, job losses, sales dipping, and now horticulture, which is a backbone, and this could be a crushing blow to the economy. The repercussions obviously will be known in some time, where you could have job losses, you could have an economic depression, and then the buying power, the purchasing power of the people could really hit rock bottom. So this is what's happening right now. Now the demand is that the government should regulate, and then the interference of the Umar Abdullah government, where they brought in a few SRTC trucks, government trucks. Again, there are allegations that that was again, it all turned political, with MLAs taking these trucks to their vote bank and not caring about other fruit mandis, especially in Srinagar. So that really is the other allegation, but quite clearly more needs to be done as far as the government is concerned, because right now the apple seems to be, the horticulture sector is clearly going into the red, and losses are only mounting for the horticulturists and especially for the apple growers. With Campus and Tariq Lone, Mir Farid, Srinagar for India Today.